Over the past couple of days, Premier Scott Moe has said that gathering limits could be eased by Christmas if COVID-19 cases decline. Dr. Saqib Shahab says that's not happening. They're going in the opposite direction. He says it's too early to say what restrictions could be at Christmas, but he's recommending against interprovincial travel, and he says people should keep their Christmas quiet.
But I think we need to be very cautious, because if we relax over the holidays while our case numbers are high, we'll pay the price in January. So again, I think we need to be very cautious at this time. Our numbers are much higher than we were in Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, our numbers are lower. We very cautiously had up to 15 people allowed, but in some cases people went to multiple events, and we saw a bit of a rebound.
The 7-day average of new cases is about 275. Shahab says he'd like to see it in the 60 to 120 range, preferably lower. He says anything around 250, and that puts too much stress and strain on the healthcare system.
We don't want to bend the rules. We want to bend the curve and follow the public health orders and the Reopen Saskatchewan updated guidelines, so that we can stabilize over December, early part of January. The school break is another opportunity for us to slow things down, to stabilize our numbers, so that we can go back to school in January with less pressure, less cases per day.
The Minister of Health says a vaccination rollout plan will be announced next week. He expects priority to be given to seniors and frontline healthcare workers.
Saskatchewan's per capita share that we should be receiving in the first quarter of 2021 is about 180,000 doses, enough to vaccinate 90,000 people. This is just based on the deliveries from Pfizer and Moderna, who have applied for their vaccine approvals. In the last few days, 2 more companies, AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson, have also applied to have their vaccines approved. This could result in more vaccines being delivered even quicker.
Merriman says that the initial supply of doses will be 180,000, enough to do 90,000 people in the province. Shahab says it's his hope that the majority of people in Saskatchewan will be vaccinated by the summer. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.